The moon looks stable from Earth, but scientific measurements show it is slowly shrinking. The change is small, about 50 meters in radius over hundreds of millions of years, but it is enough to create stress in the lunar crust. That stress produces real seismic activity known as moonquakes. Apollo astronauts placed seismometers on the moon between 1969 and 1977. Those instruments recorded several types of moonquakes. Deep moonquakes were mild. Thermal moonquakes happened when the surface expanded after sunrise. But the shallow moonquakes were different. They were strong and lasted for long periods because the moon has no atmosphere or water to absorb vibrations. Recent analysis of Apollo data combined with high-resolution images from NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter shows that many shallow moonquakes align with visible surface faults. These faults are called lobate scarps. They form when the moon's interior cools and contracts. The crust cannot shrink smoothly, so it breaks and pushes upward, creating cliff-like features. Some scarps appear geologically young, which means the moon is still tectonically active today. Researchers have mapped likely quake sources and found that several are located near the lunar South Pole. This is important because NASA plans to land Artemis crews in that region. The terrain includes steep slopes and loose regolith. Even moderate shaking could trigger landslides. Engineers now factor this into site selection and habitat design. The shrinking process is driven by thermal evolution. The moon formed hot. Over billions of years it has been losing heat. As the interior cools, it contracts. The crust responds by folding and faulting. This is the same mechanism seen on Mercury, which has also contracted significantly. Scientists continue to refine models of lunar seismic activity. New instruments planned for future missions will provide more accurate data. Understanding moonquakes is essential for long-term human presence. It affects where to build, how to anchor structures, and how to protect equipment. The moon is not a dead world. It is slowly changing. And as humans return, knowing how it behaves is a basic requirement for safety and planning.